go ahead and hit me like so.
Promise that you won't let me fall.
Kiss me, danger. Been so lost without you all around me.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go get my nails done, but I want to show you guys my fit. You know, just this plain little sweater, gray sweater. Then I got this bodysuit. It's brown. It's so cute. Then I got my cap and slide. Then I got on this purse from Rainbows. And yeah, go by the background. My sister is messy. So yeah. And this my hair. It's coming out today. So don't even mind the lace, because it's coming out today. But yeah, peace.
Yeah. Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe, sitting on dubs. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Shouted, what is your name? Oh, she made us drink to drink. We drunk and got drunk and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink back, and then I think that we hit it on something proper like. I like the bartender, looking for me. I like the bar with her. Okay, I like the bartender, yeah, looking for me. I at the bar with her, looking for some. Yeah, broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe, sitting on dubs. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Shouted, what is your name? Oh, she made us drink to drink. We drunk and got drunk and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink back, and then I think that we hit it on something proper like. I like the bartender, looking for me. I like the bar with her. Okay, I like the bartender, yeah, looking for me. I at the bar with her, looking for some. Yeah, broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe, sitting on dubs. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Shouted, what is your name? Oh, she made us drink to drink. We drunk and got drunk and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink back, and then I think that we hit it on something proper like. I like the bartender, looking for me. I at the bar with her. Okay, I like the bartender, yeah, looking for me.
Okay, so hi guys. Yes, I'm a totally new person today because get my hair done, lashes done. You already see me get my nails done, but I couldn't really record me getting my hair done, my lashes done, because my camera was dead for like 2 days straight and I would not charge it. But yeah, I did my hair yesterday. It looks crazy today, but I put a picture of what it's supposed to look like. I'm gonna fix it up later too. But yeah, hair done, nails done, like a baddie. Now we're on the way to go get my shoes and my purse. And yeah, today I'm doing everything because I'm not doing anything tomorrow for my actual birthday. Except for working, but that's it. And yeah, Oh, unless you're coming too.
I think you should do bowling at Gulfstream.
What is that?
It's like it's a big mall kind of type vibe, and it got bowling out there.
Okay. Sounds like a plan. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I get my shoes. Oh, Royal Blinks on the lashes, me on the hair, Barbie on the nails. Don't play with it, don't play with it. And yeah. Alright, so we're here. We're going to Shoe Time. And yeah, I'm at the flea market. There's flea market people in Miami, you know what it's at. I'm trying to see people already. And yeah. Okay, so I'm looking for like gold shoes. And this is one option that we have found. Looks cute. And I really like the style. Okay. At this little shoe store. Okay, yes, back down that way.
More this way.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, these were cute. They were. Not anymore. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go with these. I'm gonna do this one. Yeah. Oh my gosh, please Lord, let them have it, because this is getting ridiculous. Honey. Oh, that's 7. Let's see it. Yeah, I can fit this.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me try both of them. They gotta see me walk. Y'all, it's cute. We have a winner. Chicken dinner.
Chicken salad.
So this is the clutch that I ended up getting. It's so cute.
See if it matches your shoes.
Yeah, let me see if it matches my shoes. Okay. Matching. Now we're gonna go to Taco Bell and grab. Okay, what I said about Taco Bell. Taco Bell is the bomb of the .com. So I can move them semi-layered nacho cheese fries, no beans, no guacamole, two of them. Thanks. And then I give me a Baja Blast because y'all know how I give it a Baja Blast. So good. And yeah.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was playing.
Okay guys, so it is 5:07 p.m. right now. Look at my baby Rose. She just looks so cute. The cutest baby girl ever. Anyways, yeah. So it's 5:07 right now, and I'm starting to get ready because my dinner is at 7. I'm just gonna start off my hair, retouching up my curls and everything, taking out the bobby pins, putting them up, and yeah.
I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Yeah, that fit is so useless. Dating me, I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm bothered, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing.
So now I'm gonna do my makeup, just finished my hair, it's looking cute. And yeah, so I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna show you guys the look that I'm going for. So not really the whole look, I'm already gonna do like a brow smoothie. I did a pink cut crease, but this is the kind of cut crease that I want to do. I got me some graphic liner today. My sister, she gave it to me as a Christmas present, so shout out to her, big herb. Actually, yeah, this is basically what I want to do. Like, this is literally basically it. Y'all see, it looks so freaking good. So I'm gonna try to go for this type of look, and I think it's gonna be achievable, to be honest. So let's get started.
Hey, nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Tell them what you know, what you see, fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Yeah, that fit is so useless.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City.
Did I see?
No, 30. Way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got.
Thanks. Fix my nose a little bit. Hashtag finished look. I think I look good. I'm trying a new look today. I don't know, I feel like it's giving like 1970s girl. So this is the fit. Got this gold clutch, gold heels, baggy jeans, and this top from Old Polly. It's a corset top, brown on brown on brown on brown on brown, and I'm gonna go. And then my balloons. I'm not 71, I'm 17, but y'all know, y'all get the vibe. And yeah, let's go. We're here, guys. Moshi is the place that we're at. It's the Asian cuisine restaurant. You know, the sushi, the rice, and all of that. It's so freaking good. But yeah, we're going here. We're gonna sit in the little back area. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, yeah. So we just got seated or whatever, and wait for everybody to get, you know, but people can never be on time. So, but yeah, I mean, it is 7:30. I just got here, but whatever. I'm a birthday girl. I'm supposed to be late. No, anyways. This is so cute. Look at the background. It's so cute. I gotta take some pictures. Yeah, we at the movies right now. With the movies, we finished the dinner and everything. I just wasn't really vlogging because, you know, I was in the moment living. Yes, I am. You know, I was living in the moment. And yeah, so now we're at the movies watching Avatar. It's almost my birthday, y'all. It's 11:03, 1 more hour, 57 more minutes, and yeah, it's gonna get turned. Yeah, and I work tomorrow too, sadly, so I gotta come to work and do that. But yeah, we just got this 3 hour long. I'm sorry.